Have you noticed how popular it is to talk about morning routine or daily routine? Do this, do that, and in a year you will be a millionaire. From my point of view, it's silly. People are looking for simple and easy ways to break out from 9 to 5 system at least for a while, build a happy relationship, earn a lot of money and warm their ass in Maldives. Only waking up at 5 AM, eating millet and meditate won't do it. I have something much better for you. This is not a collection of a few tricks on how to get insert what you want. This is a recipe for how to get to the next level, mate. I know what am I talking about. Great Things Theory. 8 mental habits. Take care of them for 1 year. You will be a different person. Your mindset, your head is the most important success factor, and that's what we will focus on. $10 million doesn't mean much when you are a happy person. So, 4 habits will be about your happiness, and the next 4 will ensure success in the field of your choice. $1 million is okay, but remember, mate, that $1 million is relatively small. Good relationship? Okay. Maldives? Okay. So, let's not waste our time. Let's go! The more kind words you say to yourself, the better you will feel. So, use positive phrase towards yourself, such as I can, I like, I can do it, happiness or good. There is no point in bullying yourself and undermining your self-confidence. Unfortunately, others will do it. It is important that you don't join this crowd, because at the same time you will be setting your brain to see only bad side of yourself and the world, and you don't need that. Among the least productive activities, thinking about the past and things that cannot be changed should be in the first place. You can't change the past, but you can't change the future, so focus on what will make you live better and be happier in a year than now. We learn about ourselves from other people. They are benchmarks by which you can tell what you are really good at. Collect as much information as you can about what you do better than others and what someone likes and admires you for. You will be happier. Write what you value yourself for, what you are proud of and what you have achieved. This is the base to make you feel good. If it's less than 50 of these things, you are a lazy guy. Lazy guys always end up in the landfill of untapped talent, and it's never a soft landing. There is no happiness without gratefulness. That is why it is very important to be aware of what is worth improving in ourselves, but also what we do well. However, my intuition tells me that much more often we pay attention to what we lack, what is not the best in us, and that even those measly 2 centimeters of height would come in handy. In practice, this is very often leads to perceiving ourselves through the prism of flaws and creating a worse self-image than it really is. Everything we think about ourselves is very convincing for other people, and if they say that they can't do anything, it evokes in others precisely such a thought. It is clear for you? From now on, focus on what you did well and tell other people what you liked about what they did. The real power is shaped by making a decision. The more, the better, because for your brain it is not the caliber of the decision that matters, but the fact of making it. This is important because when you make a decision, you also state that you know what is good for you. You start to control another piece of reality. And, by the way, you don't behave like a kid clinging to his mother's skirt who shifts the burden of decision to others so as not to take responsibility. Happiness is built by attention to detail, such as eating healthy meals, doing push-ups in the morning, arriving on time, doing things right away without putting them off. The problem with people who don't change anything in their lives is that they want epic change and they don't allow themselves to think that it's enough to control the little things to see it. They are always the solution. This is the only cure for nervous breakdown, a difficult breaking up, depression. Are you suffering? It's okay, but also start to heal yourself regularly, moving forward in small steps. Do you know how to train a killer dog? At first, he's only allowed to fight dogs that are weaker than him, and then he's put up against better and better dogs, which he also destroys. The bar is raised for him until finally he knows he's real strange. This builds self-confidence in him, which is updated on an ongoing basis through the balance of his failure and successes. Be like killer dog. 1. Think well of yourself. 2. Think about the future. 3. Collect good memories. 4. List all your achievements. 5. Be grateful for good things. 6. Make decisions. 7. Control the little things. 8. Win. I used to work with a guy who was on the Forbes list. Believe me, the difference between you, me and him, it's not that big. People who earn millions or billions don't know any secret way to get cash. They just do different things and believe in different things. You can feel calm now because you already know what to do. Habits and your beliefs are like infinite ammo cheats in GTA. They dramatically change the rules of the game in your favor. So, check out what I've done for you recently. Here's David. I suppose you know my voice. Finally, I have a question for you. Great Things theory is evolving all the time. What we want to do is help people become predators, to help them be efficient and happy, and we want to deliver maximum value to you. So, it's time to make your move. Write in a private message by email or, the best, right under this video. What do you need? What 2 questions do you want answered? What is blocking you from living the way you want? Let me know and, we will do something about it. Many thanks, good luck, and bye bye.